Evans at a Hark Gables, well, Festival of Thrift thing, and I'm wearing like my prototype gothic makeup, which I'll be planning to do for the future years, and I'll be showing people where it's including my parents. I don't mind whatever happens. It's me who I am, and I don't mind. I mean, it's who I am. Goodbye. Hello, my birdies. It's me. I can fly away to Gothic land. Take my corset and my wings. Hello, it's me. Uh, Gothic my, um, um, Christopher Evans is no longer disposed, so I am the devil, Gothic devil. I've took him away, and I've just turned him into ash. So I am now turning into a devil into a devil's girl. And so I've made, as it's a thrift weekend, I made these thanks to someone's ingenuity, teamwork. So I made these, and I found a corset and bat wings. So I am now a goth. No matter what I wear, it's now I am a true goth. I am. No matter if I play video games on my Xbox Series S, this outfit, the corset, and the wings are going to come in handy. They might come in handy for a wet outfit. I still got to do my Yidia Deets outfit in October. So, yeah. But now, today, I put some makeup on thanks to some help. As it's the Festival of Thrift on the weekend. I'm going to go on Sunday. This month is extremely been very busy for me. So I know I've got things to pay off, like I did today. So there you go. So goodbye, my darkies.